Mutukudzi Ozhamba Mushure mekunge aenda kunogashidzwa motokari namadzibaba Wicknell Chivhayo. Hi T-shirt family, hey loves, welcome back to another hot episode with H. Guys, today I've decided not to, but I was like, no, let me just give you this. So Daisy finally speaks out about this car and achema zvinonzwisa tsitsi nemo handiyazoti kuchema mufaro kuchema kuti aiwa zvazoita kana kuti ine handichanzwisise, but I'm just thinking kuti ari kuchema nemufaro kuti aiwa baba vachivhayo maita yenyu. But guys, before we continue with this video, please smash that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up as a token of appreciation. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out anything that I'm going to post here, guys, because your girl always come up with the bag and your girl always delivers. Streets. So that's the car, guys. It's a Fortuner, new Range Rover Fortuner. Is that the name though? I'm not even sure, but you know the issue. Not 2020, not 2019 Wicknell akatumboenda akanoita pay tribute again to the grave ratuku akaenda zvachinota was sorry se picture muri kuona iri asi vamwe vanhu vari kuti vari kudanana, vamwe vanhu vari kuti uchatiudza zvako kuti Samantha mwana wani. Now we need to know, maybe Wicknell ari kutambiswa front, there is someone behind that, because kuno pamota takazona vanhu va muma picture the likes of Chivhayo Jah Prayzah, then you started to wonder why they are in the picture. Kana munhu waenda kunopa munhu mota vese vakambopiwa mota before, vanhu vese vakakokorodzana here vakaenda, and yay, a lot of people they were saying vana Candy V, vana Yaya, vana Ola vachiti vamwe vachingwesa pamaposta avo kuti zvakaoma, kana vamwe vakati kana Mwari vada vanongozviita, but vazhinji they were so shocked kuti asaka sometimes kuitira utsinya vana kunobhadhara, sometimes kuzachengeta vana kunobhadhara, because you end up crying for a brand new Fortuner, guys. Can you imagine? But let's just appreciate when you subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the family, guys, and make sure you stay tuned in this channel, because this is this channel to stay tuned in. We always come up with the hottest gist here, the hottest tea, so please stay tuned and make sure you guys you turn on notification bell like always. And my returning subscribers, thanks so much guys for tuning in. So let me know, guys, what do you think in the comment section about all this scenario, and zvaitwa kuti Wolitan azokwanisawo kutora vana vake vese mufaro namuku junior, which is a good thing. That's a good gesture. I'm sure, guys, we can safely say Wolitan akura. We can all safely say that, and we just say congratulations. Now we are praying for Kimberly not to behave like Daisy, okay? Yes, because Daisy ari kutochema nemufaro but vana vari kusuwa. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye guys.